The Inskin Summer Sneezing Pulse Point offers immediate relief through the summer by helping to clear nasal passages. It's compact and it's great for carry around with you and can be used as and when you feel bunged up with hay fever. There are 7 ingredients only, including peppermint, lavender and eucalyptus. All the ingredients are active as we simply don't add water, preservatives or any thickeners. Working with a pharmacologist has ensured the absolute maximum of decongestant oils are used, ensuring the maximum benefits for you. It's easy to use, simply roll over the wrist pulse point and smell in the really deep minty aroma. This pulse point may contain earthly tenderness.